So you've probably seen my Wantable Cozytober style edit, but I liked it so much that I decided to go ahead and check out the Cozytober active edit. So this will be the first time ever getting the active edit, which is more of your athletic wear. I usually just get the style edit, so I just wanted to check out and see the things that they might include in the active edit. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Cozytober Wantable active box instead of the style box. So if you are not familiar with Wantable, they are a clothing subscription service that you can customize how often you want to receive your boxes. And I just do mine whenever I see a theme that I like. I don't actually get a specific style box ever so often. I just like to pick the theme edits that I might like. And the Cozytober seemed to be a really good edit. So I usually get the style edit, which is just your normal everyday wear, and you'll get 7 pieces on that. But then they have the active and the sleep edit. And I've never gotten the sleep edit either, but this will be the first time getting the active edit, which is supposed to be more active wear. So let's just see what is inside. If you do keep 5 or more items, you do get a 25% discount. So this is how my box came. It's pretty messed up. I mean, it is torn here at the bottom and it is very crunched. So I'm hoping everything is still put together. It does not have the nice, cute little personalized label on the top. And the bundle is kind of not really a bundle. It's kind of just piled in here. So I hope I have all 7 items, because the way this is, some things could have came out of the bottom. So let's see what is inside. So you do have your little pamphlet that tells everything that is in it, and also who your stylist is. So I'm not sure if they have different stylists for like the active edit and the style edit. And Taylor has always been my stylist. So this one says Mary is my stylist for this one. So I'll put this to the side and we'll go over all of the pricing whenever I try everything on. So the style edit came with like a velvet belt bag, and then this active comes with a more nylon belt bag in this burgundy color. It's got a metal hook over here, zipper in the back. These, are very similar to the Lululemon everyday ones. And so you've got little cargo pockets on the inside. So this is a cute little belt bag and really pretty color, a good color for fall. So the first thing it looks like are these joggers. They have a ribbed style. They are from Recreation by Thread and Supply in a size medium. It doesn't tell the exact style, so I'll have to look on the style card for that. But they have the band at the bottom, they have this rib detail, and they feel very soft, and they're in this really pretty green color. And this is soft, whatever it is. So this is from Interval, and it says Queen of the Court. It looks like it's a crop style top, which I don't get into the crop style. It's the boxy graphic tee, Queen of the Court, in slate blue, size medium. So we'll have to check that out. Those probably go really good with those joggers. And this is soft too. This is from Recreation by Thread and Supply. And this doesn't have the name of this either, but it looks like this is this really nice striped, longer style sweatshirt, very soft. And then there's another pair of joggers. These are from Interval, and they are the Sunrise Sweat Jogger in black size medium. They did have some side pockets, the band at the bottom, and this classic black. But gosh, this is soft too. So this is from Interval, and it looks like it's a black sweatshirt. We'll match those joggers probably. This is the Tri-Blend Fleece One Shoulder Pullover in black, size medium. Gosh, this is nice too. This feels like a brushed flannel from Thread and Supply, and it's in this really pretty green color button up, very soft. But I do not know the name of this one either, but gosh, I love the color, and this feels like it's gonna be really nice and cozy. And then the last thing in here is this fleece pullover. It looks like it's a button down from Recreation by Thread and Supply in this camel color. So let me go ahead and get into the try on. So here's the first look. This is that one shoulder sweatshirt. It's super soft on the inside. It has that brushed fleece material, so really nice, very comfortable. And I do just have my bra on still, but of course, like a little bralette would look good under this. And then I put it on with those joggers. There was a black pair of joggers, and I think both of these are very comfortable. I would consider them very cozy as well. So the top is from Interval. It's the Tri-Blend Fleece One Shoulder Pullover in black, but it is $68. I mean, it feels good, but it's a black sweatshirt, so I don't know about the $68 for this. And then the Joggers are from Interval as well, so same brand. Sunrise Sweat Jogger in black, and these are $78. The sweatpants are definitely going back. I mean, they are comfortable, but they are not $78 comfortable. So I definitely think I'm going to take the joggers back because they're not worth $78. And this sweatshirt is super comfortable and cozy. It feels really nice. I think it'd be a very comfortable one, but I'm not sure. $68 is a bit high for just a regular sweatshirt. So I still have those joggers on from Interval, and then I put this striped tunic sweatshirt. So I'm just going to show you how long it is. It is kind of tunic length. And this reminds me of that scuba knit material that's so popular. So definitely if you want to wear this with leggings, you can do that. So this is from Thread and Supply, and it's the Martina Oversized Crew in ivory black stripe. It's $66. Again, I don't think this is worth the price. So I think there's some really good things so far, but as far as the price, I'm not really sure they're worth it. So let's just move on to what's next. So I still have those black joggers on, and then I put this top on that has that really nice like brushed flannel feel, like a fleece feel. I love the color of this one. And this one I may even wear open with something under it. But I think this is a little bit more form-fitting than I thought it was going to be. So this is from Thread and Supply. It's the Lewis shirt in Heather Ocean, and it's $66. So it's a little bit pricey too, but I think I would like this a little bit more if it had an oversized slouchy look. But I love the color, and I think it feels really nice and cozy. So I switched out the joggers to the rib style joggers that were in that green color. They're a little bit more form-fitting than what I normally like. And then this top is super soft, you guys, but it is one of the little shorter styles, so I wouldn't consider it cropped. It says Queen of the Court right here. It's super soft, but I'm not sure if I like how short it is. So the top is from Interval. It's the Boxy Graphic Tee Queen of the Court in slate blue, and this is actually marked down on a clearance for $36. And then the pants are the Thread and Supply Cora Jogger in Smoked Jade. And these are $77, guys. I'm not paying $77 for a pair of joggers. That's probably why I haven't gotten the active edit, because I don't know, I feel like I can get all this stuff for a little bit cheaper. So let's move on. I've got one more top to share with you guys. So the last thing I want to share with you is this top. So this is like that fleece top. It has these little bungees in the bottom so you can draw them up, keep any wind out. These have zipper pockets on the side, and they're really nice and warm when you put your hands in there. They're the side pockets, not the kangaroo. This is not a quarter zip. This is more of a button up. The color, I guess, is okay. I'm not sure if it's really flattering for me, but I just kept them on with those same joggers, but they feel really nice and cozy. They got like a sweatshirt material on the inside. So this one I think is a really good cozy one. So this is the Thread and Supply Bretta pullover in taupe, $78. And apparently I requested this one. So this was the only requested item that is in the box. So for the total for all 7 items is $469. And then if you keep all 5, you get a 20% discount. I'm sorry, I said 25. That's Stitch Fix. You get a 20% discount if you keep 5 or more items, which would take $93.80 off. And then after you take off your styling fee, which is not just $20, they do add tax, so it's $21.95. And then the total would be $389.83 if I kept all 7 items. And then if you want to keep the free gift, you do have to at least keep 1 item. And I always try to keep at least 1 just so it'll pay for the styling fee. So I don't know though. These joggers, they are $77, so they're definitely a no. The other joggers are $68, so they're definitely a no, because I can get joggers cheaper than that feel more comfortable and are more cozy than that. I didn't really care for the striped sweatshirt too much. It had a nice feel to it. The one shoulder sweatshirt was really nice and comfortable, and it was cozy. It felt so nice on the inside, but I think that one was $68. So to me, again, that didn't seem like it was worth $68. So I guess the only thing that I really like, and of course I have some that are similar to this, and for $78, I think this is just too expensive for this, because you can get pullovers like this from Walmart for about $24. So I'm going to pass on everything except, because I feel like I have to get one thing to cover that styling fee. So I'm thinking the only thing that I really like out of this is that Thread and Supply, kind of like that brushed flannel, that brushed fleece top in that really pretty green. I think they call it Heather Ocean. What did you guys think about this box? I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.